So guess what? YouTubers, Instagrammers, nah, all my violent New Jersey folks. I finished compounding. I finished sanding. I finished primering. And I finished painting. Finally finished painting. After buckets of compound, like 2 buckets of compound, I think 9 gallons of primer, and about 4 gallons of paint. The back's been done. Bathroom's been done. We just needed, we had an issue. We had to rip molding off the middle here, and it tore off some of the paint, so we had to scrape, spackle, smoothing, sand, clean up, primer, paint, bada bing. The walls look good too, super smooth. You can see it. My phone's about to die, so I just wanted to do this right quick. Thank you for all of you guys that subscribe to the channel on YouTube. The bilingual came out of me right there a little bit, but on YouTube. Again, follow us at Paint318 on Instagram, and all our social pages posted up on YouTube. Yeah, and that's about it. I'm out of here, alright? Wow. I think it's like 2 something. Yeah, 2:14 in the morning.